Hi, I'm Melanie Merritt from Broadband Now, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Wi-Fi password between two iPhone users. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest guides and reviews on all things broadband. Let's get started. For this first method, make sure both iPhones have the latest iOS software update. Check that both iPhones' Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Personal hotspot should be off. Next, you'll want to add the person to your contacts and vice versa. The person asking for the Wi-Fi password should tap on your Wi-Fi network, and then a pop-up asking if you want to share your password will appear on your screen. Hit Share Password, and you should see the pop-up message change to Complete. If that doesn't work out, another method you can also do is go to your Wi-Fi network, tap the eye icon, tap the password to reveal it, copy it, and then text it to the other iPhone user. If you do have security concerns, don't worry, you can show the password to the other user and they can manually type it in. So there you have it. Fast, simple, and painless. We hope you enjoyed our video. Be sure to check out the article with the link in the description and stay tuned for our next one. Turn on those notifications so you don't miss out.